This is fit for a 2016 through 2019 Ford Explorer with factory installed flush side rails which have fixed point connections on the inner edges. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack RCH Vortex base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex Aero load bars in silver, 54 inches in length, the RCH legs, which include locks, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the rubberized boots, metal brackets and fasteners to connect to the fixed points. This is part number RCP45-BK. Here we have the bars in the maximum crossbar spacing of 39.5 inches. There's also the standard crossbar spacing of 27.5 inch. This rack offers 110-pound carrying capacity. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.